Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana Felicia. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare cinnamon rolls. I did cinnamon buns on my previous video. I'll put a link down here because you need all those ingredients, and also part of the recipe you'll just take it from there to make your cinnamon rolls. Yeah, I know it's been long, but yeah, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that when I upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you. So here I'm going to make our cinnamon rolls. I'm going to use the exact measurements that I used while making the cinnamon buns. That's the exact thing we are going to do. So if you didn't watch that, kindly just go back and watch. You'll see all the measurements on how to prepare the cinnamon buns. It's just the same for also for cinnamon rolls. So yeah, let me do all these things first, then once the things change is when you'll start knowing what to do at that point. So just the same way we did for cinnamon buns, I'm going to put for cinnamon rolls. No, I want it. So I'm going to add in sugar.
All the measurements are on the, I'll still put the measurements on the description box, but you can watch the, it's just the same one, the exact one as the one for cinnamon buns. So this is cinnamon rolls today. Cinnamon rolls.
So once this is ready, just a little cinnamon I sprinkle on top of it. Yeah, sprinkle top of it. Yeah, you want to make sure it's not sticking up. So once you do, it looks like this. I'm just going to cover it 30 minutes to 1 hour. So now our cinnamon roll mixture is ready. Going to put some flour on the surface. Then just you divide, you portion it. This is just the same recipe that we used while preparing the cinnamon buns, so it's just the same thing, but we added our cinnamon to the mixture. It's not rectangle, but something near here. So going in with our cinnamon. Now this is the only different thing. Then you mix it well. Then you're going to add in sugar. So that it can cover all these places. So after doing this, just going to roll it. After rolling, now we are just going to cut them into our desired shape. For our baking tray, we're just going to move a bit. Yeah. Going to brush the oil on our baking sheet. Then after doing that, take our cinnamon rolls, just place it like that. You have to leave space. So let me do this, then I'll show you how they'll turn out to be. After placing them on your baking tray, just going to brush it with melted butter. So we are going to put it in our oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes only. Once 15 minutes is done, you remove them from the oven. Our cinnamon roll is ready. Don't know why this have opened up, but it's nice. Okay, let's try this. Well cooked inside. Yeah, so this is nice. So yeah, some are big, some are small, but still it has turned out to be nice. Yes, and that's it for the cinnamon rolls recipe. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so when I upload a new video, you can be notified.